I hope you enjoyed your New Year's, your holidays with your loved ones. Today I will be making some banana pancakes. I have ripe bananas, which I thought I had 3. Apparently somebody ate them. So we want really ripe bananas. As you can see, they're really ripe. When they have too many bananas and they get ripe like that, they do sell it cheaper. What we're going to do is pancakes. I know we could do banana cake, but I wanted to do something more different. Okay, so we're going to add eggs in there. I don't know, many vegetarians don't eat eggs. Some do, but you can omit the eggs, and for the egg replacement you can use chia seed or flax seed or psyllium husk for the egg replacement. Now these ones that I'm making is for my 3 men that are working. Okay, so that's 3 eggs. Put 1 more. You're your own boss of your kitchen, so you can do it any way you like. I'm going to add, you notice that I added the eggs first. That's because it will be more easier for the blade to blend everything up. Okay, and we can just add our bananas. Just peel them up and just stick them in there. I'm just gonna add 2 because somebody ate the other one, but it should be sweet enough. I barely make these. I always tell my husband that the bananas are very high in sugar. I don't know if I'm correct, but I think they have like 7 tablespoons of sugar each banana. Worse when they're ripe. Alright, so we got the banana in there, and I'm going to take half a cup of flour. Actually 1 cup, sorry. This cup I'm using is half a cup, so I'm going to be doing it twice. So this cup is half cup, so that's 1 cup. 1 cup of flour, 2 bananas, 4 eggs. Now we need some sour cream. It's optional. It is optional. If you don't like sour cream, you can do it without sour cream. Nothing's gonna happen. My favorite is sour cream on everything practically. So that's half a cup of sour cream. Goes right in there. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Goes right in there. We're going to start warming up our pan. So while we're blending, that's heating up. I'm going to use the same cup. I'm going to fill it with milk. Could be coconut milk, almond milk, could be cashew milk. We have half a cup of milk here. And there we go. If we need more, then we add more. So I'm going to blend this up. The banana is really sweet, but if it's not sweet enough for you, when you blend it, taste it. Taste the dough and then spit it out. And then if it's sweet enough for you, then that's fine. But if you want more sweeter, then you just add 1 tablespoon of sugar or 2. Your choice. You decide how you want the sweetness. I'm going to add half more cup of milk. I added half a cup more. I don't know if you heard me. So now we're going to do the taste test. Sometimes there's dough sticks, so I like to stir it. I'm using my chopstick. Okay, so with my finger. Yes, it's sweet enough. Like I said, the bananas are very sweet when they're so ripe. The way I showed you, those bananas were really ripe. So as you saw that I did not add no sugar, I just added a half cup more of milk, which I think it was too much. I think I should have just added just a little bit, just 2 tablespoons more, and that's it. Because see, the consistency is a little bit too thin for my liking, but it will do. It's not watery, it's just too thin for my liking, but that will do. No worries. So when you do it, just put less milk, or you can stop the blender, mix it with a chopstick, and then check the consistency. If it looks fine, mix it up with your chopstick. Alright, so now I turn on the stove, I turn on the fan. Sometimes when they're so ripe, the bananas are too ripe, because sometimes there's days that people don't eat the bananas, and then you have too many bananas ripening up fast. What I do is I cut them in half, or I cut them in 4 pieces or 3 pieces, depending on the size of the banana, right? What I do is I freeze them up, so whenever I want to make a smoothie, I just throw the bananas in there. Or if I want to bake something, I'll just throw the bananas in the blender and they will blend up. Alright, so this pan should be hot, and now I'm going to start putting in. I'm going to try to make them small size. I usually can't make them nice and circly. Just a little bit there, and another little bit over there. This is a small pan. I decided to use a small pan today. And a little bit here. So we're gonna get some pancakes for lunch for their first break for these big guys at work. Actually, they turned out pretty nice, but sometimes they come out very nice and thick, my pancakes. I don't eat these because I'm on a diet, so I cannot eat flour or rice. I'm on a low carb. Mostly I'm cooking is for the family. Whatever I do is for the family. And so far I have lost like 115 pounds on the low carb, which I'm glad. So many joint pains I had, so many problems, health problems, and now thank goodness almost everything is gone. There's many ways to make pancakes. Whatever your heart desires. I mean, really, it's all up to you. You can come with your own inventions, and you can come up with wonderful ideas. So as you can see, they are kind of fluffy, but if you want them more fluffy, you can add less milk. I added, I think, too much milk, but it's okay. I like it. It didn't come out bad. And I did add too much oil. That's one thing for sure. So what I do is I tilt it, the oil, so that way it won't jump on me or nothing like that. The same thing, I'll do this one. I'll tilt it and just, there we go. You're gonna love these banana pancakes. I haven't done the bananas. I've done a plantain, the ripe plantain. I've done that, and they like it, but not the banana ones. I usually do the ripe bananas, like banana cake. So I decided to make pancakes out of them. More easier. Alright, so just drip the oil one side like this. That's because I put too much oil. Too much oil. Okay, now do the rest. I have a lot of batter. When you see them bubbling, that means it's almost time to turn, or time to turn. What I'm going to do is try to turn them at the same time, like that. And then I'll just split them. Just split them, cut them a bit, separate them, like that. And there we go. There we go. Just like that. Okay, my friends, so there's the results. I hope you like this very small recipe, which I usually do with plantains, and well, I decided to do with these ripe bananas. I hope you try it out. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video, and hope to see you again on our next video very soon. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support. I appreciate it, and hope to see you soon on the next video. Happy cooking! Bye!